Welcome everyone. Determination of the effective atomic number of chromium in the complex compound chromium whole 6 of NH3Cl3. We know that effective atomic number is equal to atomic number of metal minus oxidation state of metal plus 2 into number of ligands. Therefore, effective atomic number is equal to 24. It is the atomic number of chromium minus plus 3. It is the oxidation state of chromium plus 2 into 6 because 6 amine ligands are present, or effective atomic number is equal to 33. Thank you for watching this video.